I'm Dr. Andrew Hamilton. I am from the Kalamazoo, Michigan area. I practice actually in Portage, Michigan. I just absolutely was blown away with the quality of the instruction. I would definitely recommend the GDIA Tijuana course to anyone that thinks they're ready for the next step or just wants to really start seeing a lot of implants.
I think it's an excellent course to take, and it will give you a lot of new knowledge for you to take home.
I have to say I learned so much in the last couple of days, not learning any other course in like private hand session. Every step is amazing. Overall, I'm very satisfied, and then I'll probably seek to have another course through this, GDIA. I'm very happy.
I recommend this course to anybody who is placing already implant or wants to place implant in the future.
I'm happy that I learned this, and I will definitely be able to apply in my office, and I'm glad I'm here.
I totally recommend the course, especially for someone who's interested in placing implants or getting into the field.
So it's really been an eye-opener. It's been a real game changer for me.
Done actually 2 sinus lifts so far and placed a few implants, so I mean you really get your hands-on experience that you're expecting, and still I have 2 more days to go and looking forward to this.